Brother, this man is mad. With him dog them in the back.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. Hey guys, there are a few sections in this video where the sun is shining directly in the camera lens. Alright, now as you can see, it's an early morning drive and there's nothing much we can do about the sunlight. Alright, it's God's sun, so we just have to appreciate it. Alright, as I said, it's not a lot of the video where this is happening, but it does happen. Alright, so I'm just giving you a heads up on that one. Alright, now guys, as we wind down the end of 2022, I just want to shout out everyone who has been a part of this channel. Alright, from the persons who subscribe to the persons who only watch, the persons who comment regularly to the persons who just like comment only once. Just want to say big up yourself. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. 876 by birth as usual. I want to know how the thing go. Big up everybody. Big up on yourself. Alright, and just enjoy this video, and there's a whole lot more to come. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, so journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual guys, I hope you enjoy. What's up, beautiful people? It's 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. Yeah, and today we're going for an early morning drive. You know, it's rush hour, and we're heading for an early morning drive out from Portmore into Half a Tree. All right, yeah. So we're about to see what the streets is looking like, what the vibration is out on the road. You understand? And as usual, you don't know, me just want to big up everybody over there. Yeah, you know the thing go. All the new subscribers, all the old time subscribers. Yeah man, big up on yourself, alright? Yeah, the people them from Yasso and the people them from over there, so yeah. Large up on yourself, you understand? Yeah man. As me say, 876 by birth. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Over here, so there's positive vibrations. You understand? Yeah, man. Whole heap of love and thing going over here. So we just drive around the place and we just chat. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. And you know that thing that go already. Yeah. You get me? This I wish power reason whole a little vibe, and we just, you know, start the thing them and have some fun. You understand? Yeah. Our place that worries, is it? Yeah man. So they are currently a pass Community and Newland, they're on the left hand side in Portmore. Yeah.
It's a beautiful morning this morning, people. Like, the weather is nice, everything is good. Trust me. Warm weather. Not like some places. Yeah, but tired of telling you, take a vacation come to Jamaica, man. Especially in them time here when the place going to the cold like that, you see me? You know, man, take a little vacation, a little small trip. Yeah, use my vacation days, man. Where you save it for? Eh? Use my vacation days, people. Take a little trip, come on the island, you know? Yeah, man. Full joy yourself. On my right hand side right there, so community called Southborough. Yeah. And this brother here early morning him a walk with him rum and him boom. In him and I walk out in the road. Yo, Jamaicans, we need to let go walk out in the road something they still, you know. Cause yo, trust me, and every time the driver them a go sooner, you know. Yeah, and I remember say a car and every time when I press brake it must stop too. Alright. Man, walk out in the road something there and feel like I feel like he can't have to stop and I go say, oh, they must stop, them can't lick me. As them say more time, never seen a car lay down in the hospital yet. You know? So I have to be careful on the streets, my people. Yeah. I wind down the window you know still, you know? Get some good sounds from the streets. Sorry if the glare from the sun affect the video, yeah? Early morning. Oh, soon turn. We're going to turn down this so hopefully it's not so bad after my turn. And this is another little poster bus, people. You know? This probably I go half a 3-hour town, I don't know. Pick up the work of them. People never see them coaster bus I can't ram yet. Hey, when them coaster are full, you know, and a joke thing, you know. When them coaster are ram people and a play thing when them coaster are ram, I tell you, serious. mega mart to my right over here, so. Them little bus run from Portmore to Spanish Town, people. So when you come out for the taxi here, so the doctor them fight for you. Them run and them try to take your things and try to lead in for them bus, and we don't know that style they already at Jamaica though. When they don't pull up a one taxi or one bus park or something, run on the dung and them take on the bag and them go in a bag of things and them fight over one and them, yeah, on the lower. And then if you don't go with one way, you usually go with a problem. Yo, him start cussing you, say, you deal with me. Yo, boss, you me bring you every day, so you deal with me. Yeah, we don't know that little style, eh? Trust me. I'm gonna put up a Christmas tree to my right over here, so people. Yeah. I know in Jamaica, every little where them put up Christmas tree, every little open space, every little roundabout. You know, always put up some little Christmas tree and them little, you know, light it up and them little thing like approach the season, you know? Yeah. We approaching the season. And we have a little taxi stand down here, so people, a bus stop, I say. You know, the people them are trying to get to work and thing, you know? Yeah. Go hustle and bustle. Yeah, everybody want to reach our work, you know? And sorry again about the glare of the sun if it affect it. Another bus stop again, people them are trying to get to work, yeah. The crowd out, you know? Yeah. Sorry about the glare, people. Sorry about the glare. It's been a while since I go have a tree in the early morning like this still. And a little traffic and something, you know? Yeah. Well, the toll plaza not looking too bad. But that fucking look clear, you know? Yeah. Don't look too bad, baby. Yeah man, it's been a while since me traverse the road here. Them time of morning here. So we about to go through the toll. The toll price at $340 for class 1. Class 1 I like them regular little carrier, you know? Yeah, them little carrier sedan, hatchback car, whatever you might drive in. Yeah. That's a class 1. And I want to tell you to some vehicle to some van. I don't know how. I guess it go by the height still and the length. I don't know. Oh yeah, peeps. There's a taxi. I'll be around the town or half a tree. Morning, Jenna. Respect. Alright. Now we are about to see how the road really look. You see the vehicle, whole heap of vehicle heading in a half a tree direction and town, you see me? So I can see how the road stay now for real in a real life. bad still, traffic a flow smooth. Let's hope it continue all the way like this. Straight to tour me I go. I'm kind of depend on a little time something to you know? Yeah. I have some windscreen wiper out there, so yeah. Alright, so don't put the flat right just enough for going at 3 mile. Brother. This man is mad. With him dog them in my back. Yo, some people. Yo. The man have him dog them in my back, people. So this is Ugly Park Road, my people. Ugly Park Road. Sorry if I sound a little bit awesome, people. Yeah. did a celebrate over the weekend. You know, the World Cup match and thing go. Yeah. On my side was a part of the finals, and on my side wins still. But big up to Lionel Messi, you don't know. But yeah, we did a shout and we are going to bag of things, so yeah. Show to us up people. You understand? Yeah. So this is a Walton Park, Walton Park and Agley Park Road intersection, these peeps. Yeah. Junkie, man. Boy, people, may I tell you, and taxi, I go turn, you know. You know, in my lane, you know, people. Yo, may I tell you. Man. Watch a taxi man here. People, just notice it. Just look upon them, how them a drive. The red plate them. convinced taxi man want one road for themselves. They don't even like passenger, you know. They don't like nothing. I don't think taxi man like nothing. They don't like passenger. They don't like stoplight. They don't like traffic. They don't like nothing. Because taxi man just like other taxi man. And them like when them a drive down other taxi man. And them like when them pass a taxi man and them reach at the taxi stand before them. And them say, yo, you know. And them say, yo, you know, see me shot you there, sir. Yeah, that them like. Because enough time I see them a drive past passenger and them somebody. Them just want to drive people. That's how them just want to do. And him ever dip on a hurry. Ever dip on a hurry. If you put taxi man on a road with no other car, them alone and no stoplight, no nothing, them still have a drive bad. Remember, I tell you, it's just in them nature for drive bad. So people, we're almost reaching a half a tree, so this is why we have the gridlock here right now, you get me? Yeah. Almost there at the stoplight. For the parish church there. Yeah. So this is now you know, so through the road them join. You have people who have come down Agley Park Road. And you have the Maxfield people, and we have go straight up the road right there, so you know, Eastwood Park intersection right there, so yeah, this is why we have this gridlock. And it's a rush hour also, so yeah. What people? Like the gridlock get tighter than we may expect. Bless up, bless up. Get a little wipe off on your glass, you know, peeps? Yeah. Oh, it look, it look clearer. Yeah, people see gridlock, yeah. Yeah, we're about to go up on Eastwood Park Road now. Yeah, my people, so we in half a tree right now. Christ Church, there on the left. On my right hand side, this home space used to be JBC. You remember JBC? Yeah. Yeah, man. This I think there. Half a tree, people. During rush hour, this is what it's like in Kingston, Jamaica. Well, half a tree is supposed to be St. Andrew still. Now, Grenada something I will do not today. Not today. We're in Kingston, yeah. Then along the road, you know, you have the popping taxi, them will load up. Them ever feel like them want to load while between that space and the stoplight up there, which is just right there, them ever feel like them need to load. So sometimes you will see them try for load and all these things, you know. Yeah, trust me. And this in front of the rider, so slightly to the left, you know that at the transportation center, people. Half a tree bus park, yeah. I think it is the biggest bus park in the Caribbean. Yeah. I think it is. Alright, so a policeman, I broke the one way, but you know the taxi them love load. I might try to catch them, yeah. I broke the one way still, you know, people. I just like that, you know, and support that. And because I'm a police, not a reason for I broke the one way, but I'm like, walk. But you know the taxi them like for load right for a little stretch and hold up the traffic and them thing, that's why I might go down there, you know? Yeah. Taxi right side of me and load to people. That are the thing. It's a female driver. Yeah man, taxi man them have a style people, them are come out of the car them and them little thing there, you know? Yeah, for them little style that. So people, when we reach out for Oak Road, that's where the video is gonna end. But looking for the traffic, I mean, I know how long that's gonna take. I don't know how long this is gonna take. But yeah, that's where I'm pretty much gonna end it, people. This is half a tree for you. Rush hour. And sorry again if the glare from the sun affect the camera, people. I'm sorry about that. It's God's son. Can't fight it. Alright, stop like the on green. Let me see if I can make it down to down there so and can turn. Oh, police out. There was an accident, people. My word. Yeah, as you can see people coming from up the road, they can see as well. Them have the film only with locked up. Yeah people, this is the carpet area for you. During your shower, alright? Yeah. Now watch a lane here. If you go over the left sometime, it's tricky. Because if you're over the left, taxi in a ramp for stop. If you're in the right lane, you go find man who want to turn and can't turn. You understand? It is very tricky. But I had a chance with the right lane. I had a chance with the right lane. Carman in the shibot yet, you know, when you go turn, brother. It never turned when the light again, when the light did go change from green to red, because sometimes you can squeeze through the amber. And then him dep on the green, him there at the front, him should have push up himself, adjust himself to turn. So at least who there at the front of the line where I come down the road would have said, alright, I could make that man a turn, you know? But I guess he might be extra cautious, so can't really fight him on that still, you see me? However, my people, this is where the video will come to an end, alright? Yeah. Okay, peeps. Yep. This is where it's gonna come to an end. So give thanks for one day you watch. You know the thing go. And it is 76 by birth as usual. Yeah, so bless upon yourself, my people. Manners and respect, you understand? Yeah. So until the next video, you know, people, I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.